The cynical or skeptical attitude of journalists makes the idea from economists cryptic or enigmatic, that is impossible to understand or difficult to interpret. So choice A is a true statement, and so according to the passage, each of the following is a true of the conscience of the author except. So we need to eliminate choice A. In choice B, we can see that Russell Cooper opined the theory with importance to trigger verity or fact with oath. As theory is necessary if one is to know which facts are oath gathering, so choice B is also a true statement and is to be eliminated. I'm trying to get you to the heart of the way that economists think, and we actually do think. And hopefully this will be helpful to you when you write about what's going on in the economy and when you interview an economist. So Cooper joked with a positive ramification or consequences, which will be helpful for responding against the skeptical minds of journalists to make them help to write as well. So choice C is also a true statement. So we need to eliminate choice C. The passage says that interaction between the fact and theory makes the economist able to maintain a constant circular process with pragmatic progress. So a constant circle for any process will give constant radius for work, and it cannot give a variable or mutable radius. So choice D is a false statement, and we need to accept it according to the question. The University of Texas economists mixed weight, energy, clarity, and down to earth, which is not idealistic but realistic examples. And choice E is also a true statement, and we need to eliminate it. So the correct answer is choice D.